Yes,
That's where you come from.
from Benue State.
Which side for Benue?
Koshisha.
What do you dey do with this? What be your occupation?
I used to repair phones. That's my occupation. So before someone invited me to come, so that I will do pickpocket.
Okay. So how
Yes,
do
sir.
you do the pickpocket?
So when we carry a passenger, so he will remove something from the person's pocket and give me a sign to drop the person.
Okay.
How many you don't
How
do?
you do am? How na they do am?
It's about 4 to 3
How una
months
dey do
back.
am? Say you go give you sign. How you na dey do am?
If you carry it, you tell me that I should drop, I should stop. So when I stop, he will open the door for the person, that as if he wants to throw up. From there, the person will come down.
Then say you don't build upstairs with the money where they make.
No, sir.
Then
No,
say
sir.
you send wine,
How
you don't
long
build
have you
upstairs.
been doing this and how much have you made? How many years you take for the thing?
It's about 8 months now.
How many months you have been doing for television? Tell us the truth.
How long you don't they do this?
How long don't they?
It's about 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
Okay, so how much you don't make?
Sorry.
And how many people you don't push come up from your car?
I've never ever pushed anybody.
So now who they push?
No, man.
Who get the shop, wine shop where then say you get? Where it is?
I have a wine shop in Ado.
Now
Yes.
one chance money you use.
No. No, that's what I have. So when I
You have a
when
new
I,
house. Tell us about your new house.
I don't have a new house yet.
You have a house, we went to your house.
Tell us about your new house. Tell us.
So I was with my uncle when he married. Before I went and met a friend of mine. So that's where I'm living with my friend. So yes. So
Do you regret your action?
Wait, if
Yes,
you want, even they
I
talk
regret.
about this building now.
You
I
regret
really
your
regret. Yes, sir.
Why? How?
Because it's a friend that called me to it, and I regret. I don't know that it will be up to this.
My name is Jude Simon. I'm from Enugu State. Concordia. Okay. How do we do is that they are coming from Makodi to come and meet me every December. They will come. Anything first week of December, they will come. So when they come, then they will come and meet me here in Abuja here. Then when they meet me, we will now start working.
What work?
One chance that we are doing. But our own that we are doing, it's not, we don't used to do something that maybe we will hold somebody and maybe do one or two. No. We only use our own brain to collect your something. We will see that you understand. We will give you back. But we see that you didn't understand. That is when we will go. You understand? So this December now, as they came, the organa himself, Friday, you now see that they arrested us. Now he now run. So since then, he switched off his phone. That is how we are here.
Oh, you said every December.
And that is last week December. When I do
How many years have you been doing?
no 2 years. That is 2 years we have been here. And those things that they are arguing us that we are collecting. It's not. It didn't blink for us.
So since you have been doing it, how many people have you gotten?
Let's see. When the organ come, how much they used to give me? Because me, I used to sit down in the motor. Sometimes they will give me 10,000, 5,000.
For each operation.
Yes. So those things that they are keeping there, it doesn't belong to us.
Abraham Anthony.
So why are you here?
Because I'm in one chance.
Explain how you carry your how do you carry out your operation?
This one, they are sitters now. Now then they
Yes, we are sitters. Then the
then go occupy.
Explain how you where you sit.
okay.
My name is Moses Obi. So we have our Oga, his name is Frayo. He used to come out from Makodi, but he based in Masaka side, Ado. So anytime he come, he will call us, then we'll come out. He's the one that will take us to Zubaru Express Road. That's where he operates, Zubaru Express Road. So whenever he close from work, then he will give us our own part of share.
What time do you carry out your operation?
In the morning, from 6 to 8 o'clock, sometime in the afternoon.
So how much have you made since you started this operation? How long have you? And How long has it been?
Now I'm 3 months now.
So where do you sit in the car?
In the back seat.
Godwin,
Godwin, who?
Look at the camera.
Abba,
How old are you?
I'm 42.
Tell us.
Yes. How you carry out your operation?
Waiting, carry me join me, say, na motor why I gate. Now you carry me fall inside this everything. So,
Now motorway you.
why I gate, now you carry me fall inside everything. Be say, they call to collect my motor. Until you give person motor, they collect account. That's all. Now waiting, carry me fall inside.
So you know what they use
So
the
how
motor?
much then tell you say then you give? Because
My account where they give me now 5,000. So,
so you what you they do
waiting me how they do.
Eh.
Actually, my real work, na mechanic.
for the operation? Waiting you.
Now to complete seat. Now 5. The leader na no day. Since they arrest Friday, since they arrest me, I know hear them again. Yes, sir. Within Nyanya, Maraba, Nyanya, from Nyanya to
And what time of the day do you operate?
in the morning.
Time to brief you and to show you successes recorded for the past 1 week. So far, so good. This is the 3rd week of this operation. And then for this week only, you'll be going around to see the achievements made by officers of the One Chance unit of the Federal Capital Territory Command. Behind you, you will see vehicles recovered from One Chance operators. This week only, we have been able to recover from operators of One Chance 7 vehicles, or permit 8 vehicles from operators of One Chance. And that means 7 different groups of people operating One Chance have been arrested. In all, last week and this week, the total number of vehicles gotten from operators of One Chance is 13. So that means we have been able to remove 13 vehicles used by operators of One Chance from circulation, from operations. And a lot of their members have been arrested. And some of them will be displayed for you to see and discuss with. You can imagine if all these 13 vehicles and the operators are in town operating. So I'm not surprised at the outcry from members of the public about them being attacked daily. But luckily for us, 13 of their vehicles have been recovered and a lot of the operators have been arrested. It will surprise you to know that in this operation, we have been able to recover 3 POS from these operators of One Chance. Operators of One Chance are robbers, and they give a lot of inconvenience to the residents of the FCT. They arrest you, they collect your ATM card, and they use the POS to collect your money immediately. So 3 different groups operating with POS are among the ones arrested. The POS are here for you to see. 5 laptops were recovered from them. These laptops were robbed from passengers who fell victims to them. 3 phones of different makes, $203 recovered from them, 109 phone memory cards. I'll take that again. 109 phone memory cards. If we have 109 memory cards removed from phones, that is equivalent to 109 phones collected from victims of One Chance. We recovered the clothes they used to blindfold people in their vehicles. We recovered the plier from them. All the suspects and the vehicles are here for you to see. There is a common denominator in the vehicles gotten from One Chance. All the vehicles recovered from them are tinted. All the vehicles recovered from operators of One Chance, 13 of them, they are right there behind you for you to inspect, are all tinted. At the same time, we want to thank members of the Federal Capital Territory, the residents, visitors in the town. We want to thank them for the cooperation they have been giving us. We want to apologize for the little inconvenience we have given you with our operations. We are going to work on it to ensure that you have less inconvenience from our activities. We are going to put our eyes on the activities of our officers. We are going to give you our phone numbers in case our officers on duty are doing what they should not be doing. My phone number is already in the public domain. The phone number of the Public Complaint Bureau of the Command has been displayed for you, will be given to you today again. The phone number of the PRO is also out. We all have the duty of policing the FCT together. If you see police officers doing what is not expected of them, please, please complain to us for us to take necessary actions. One more time, we want to thank you for your cooperation and permit us for the little inconvenience we have given you. It is for us to give you better security in the Federal Capital Territory. Thank you. You want to know the number of vehicles we have been able to untint. From our records, we have over 821 vehicles were untinted, and then we noticed that people were voluntarily removing the tint by themselves. That is why I want to thank members of the public, residents of the Federal Capital Territory especially, for the wonderful cooperation they have been given to the police. We have not had it as good as this. I want to thank you so much for the cooperation you have been giving us. I thank you one more time for it. Talking about the vehicles